remove these two and this one. To remove the one on the rear, you need to open up the wheel well. So remove these two screws and then you'll get access to the nut so you can put tension on that. This piece, whatever you want to call it, door sill or skirt. So I'll bolt that up here and then be able to figure out where the holes that we're going to drill for the rib nuts go. These longer ones go in the stock holes. This one goes in the back. Those are for the rib nuts. Okay, so I'll hand tighten these. Leave about, I don't know, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch or so left. That way we can just slide on this piece and then we'll figure out where to drill the holes. All right, I've got this mocked up on here. I jacked up the car more so I'd have better access. Okay, so we'll just take a Sharpie and mark these spots and then drill into an expensive exotic car, because why not? Drill bit here, got the spots marked, so right there. I don't know if I'm gonna drill into this middle one because it's in the middle and I'm kind of being a pussy. I've installed the sill on the other side and I didn't drill into that side in the middle. So I just used the double-sided tape there. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I went ahead and drilled the center one, and as you'll see, I drilled through here, but there's something behind it. So I don't think there's enough space for the rib nut to fit in there. So we're probably just gonna use some double-sided tape on that one and cover up this, cover that up. That's disappointing. As a rib nut tool is essentially a M6 bolt with, I think these are M8 nuts on it. And so the idea is I hold the nuts with this wrench and then turn the bolt with a socket, and it will cinch this rib nut into the fiberglass. So watch this. And there it is. Okay, added washers to these and have them tightened up a little bit. And now I'm gonna put the side skirt, whatever you want to call this thing, on. All right, so now it's getting dark, but I've got this slid on and just need to tighten up the bolts and should be good to go.